Okay, so following these first steps up to the numbering, I can show what is happening or not happening. So we start with putting in the section breaks on the next page. So I go here, 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 next page. And then the next one. I'm doing the exact, I went right past it. Doing the exact same thing. Here, next page. Okay, so then I've inserted my page breaks. Then we're doing the multi-level. So I go home, I go to the multi-level, and I go chapter, and it immediately puts in the chapters in each of the sections. Great. So then I go to the footer. Okay, different odd even pages, obviously. Page number, format, include chapters, heading 1, hyphen, continue from the previous section. Okay, so now I'm in my footer, and I go bottom of the page, to the right, there's 1-1. And then footer for here, page number, bottom of the page, left, 1-2. But then when I go to the next page, 3. Click here, I've played around with link to previous, I've gone into page number and format, and when I click here, and I go to heading 2, hyphen, continue from previous section, okay, nothing changes. So then I just insert another page number on the right. Still, nothing changes even though I've formatted it. And so by reset, I was thinking that's what you meant by reset, was setting it up for heading 2, and I guess I have to do that for each one, each heading, but it's not working, so I don't know how I set it to reset. I've tried not continuing from previous section. I've tried unclicking the link to previous. It doesn't matter. My numbers either vanish or my numbers on section 2 start at 3 instead of 2-1. So hopefully that explains more what I'm running into.